to Knit and Tangled YouTube channel. Daria here. Thanks for joining me today. In this video I'm going to play with some goodies from our August release, in particular with a Floral Frame stamp set. Here you can see friendly florals. I just was in a hurry. The floral frame is what I'm going to use today. I'm starting with stamping my images and then I'm going to color them. Actually, I do color almost all of my images at night when the baby sleeps, and it's not possible for me to make a good light, so I prepared it for this video and I don't have it filmed, but that's just a basic coloring, nothing extraordinary. I used Z-Clean color real brush markers, and I'm just going to die cut all of the images using coordinating dies. Box die additions die set to create my front panels. I just die cut the panel with cutted lines and then placed sentiments in the center. Central piece with a foam tape to my front base. Actually not a front base, but card panel that is in off-white, some kind of a grayish, light grayish color. Then I'm going to play a little with the placement of my frames. The idea is to foam mount different pieces of the frame around my central panel. It took some time to figure out the best placement, but I just went with the flow and see how it goes. I adhere a part of the frame, then cut off the rest, and I'm going to edit again and again. separate leaf to mask the end of the frame. It's a little bit thin and was not enough to fill in all the space to get behind the central piece, so I'm using a separate leaf. I continue to add and adhere pieces of the frame one by one using some foam tapes. You won't believe, but it took me only 2 floral frames to fill all the space on this card. Plus, I used 1 leaf to mask the end of the frame, and then I also added one of the blue flowers. Altogether, these 3 blue flowers create a visual triangle and makes the whole look more balanced. To adhere the panel to the card base and then add some Nuva drops in white for some embellishment. And that's my card for today. I ended up with lots of free pieces left, so I made another card that you can find in Knitted and Tangled blog, and the link below the video in the description box. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you like this idea and will give it a try. If so, please tag us in social media. We are always really happy to see what you create. Have a great day and bye. See you again soon.